Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, recently we have seen Fridays being turned into Fridays. Okay, but yesterday we did not see much craziness in the market. Overall, market was stable. Market came down, took support around the previous resistance of 241516 area, and market went up again. In a previous video, also we have discussed that to continue the upside or bullishness, gold needed to cross 2420, which goal did it pretty well. And right now we can see that more or less the market is stable and heading towards the next level of 2450. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold trading higher as the dollar weakens. Gold traded higher mid-afternoon on Friday, climbing for a third straight day as the dollar weakened. And as we all know, there is pressure on the dollar right now. So overall, you can expect that in the next few days also, if there is no intervention from the geopolitics, then there will be some stability in the market, and slowly gold will be heading towards 2450 or the previous high of 2470, 2480. Okay. And my dear friends, if we look at the gold on the higher time frame, this is the weekly chart, and we can see that things have not changed much on the weekly chart. Still, we are hoping, millions of traders around the world are hoping for a proper correction. Nobody knows when it will come, so better not waste time over the discussion. Okay, but if you look at a weekly chart, sorry, daily chart of gold, okay, daily chart is little better because on the daily chart we can see that gold is sideways. And in sideways market, what is the trading strategy we should follow? Buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay. If gold drops also, you can see this time we have the 100 moving average coming up, which is around 2350. So on Monday, if there is a sudden drop in the market, it should not happen. Chances are very less, but still, if there is a sudden drop in the market, we can expect the 100 moving average will be coming for the rescue. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities or the practical trading opportunities for Monday. My dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to show you another cool feature of FastBull today. We have discussed about the fundamental analysis of FastBull. We have discussed about the multiple charts that too free of cost, their signal services and their awesome economic calendar, which is extremely useful at the time of news. But recently, they have also launched Q&A with experts because we have many questions, okay, during our trading. We have many questions regarding our positions, and sadly we do not have anyone to ask. So here you can just go to the Q&A with experts option, and you will find a panel of experts from FastBull, and you can ask anything to them. You can see people from all over the world are asking questions and they are getting answers from the experts of FastBull. And the best part is that, okay, you don't need to pay anything. It is very easy to ask the experts on mobile application as well. Just open the mobile application, select the option here, and you will get an option Ask Q&A. Just select Ask Q&A and there you go. Here is the window and there are the experts here. So you can ask the experts whatever you want. And there is no restriction of language here. You can ask in any language. I'm very grateful to Fastball for providing all the features, services to traders like us. It really helps us in our trading journey. Feel free to check out my dear friend. The link is in the description. I have also pinned in a comment section. Feel free to ask the experts. Okay, now let's discuss about gold. So if you already have a buy or if you're holding a buy on gold, you can be on the trade because as we discussed in a previous video that if market breaks 2420, okay, we can be on a buy position because slowly market will be bullish again. So if you have a buy, you can be on the trade. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then in this market condition, considering the market sentiment, it is safer for us to be on the buy side only. I won't say market is very bullish, but overall the market sentiment is bullish. So we need to respect the market sentiment. So respecting everything, okay. it will be safer for us to be on the buy side only. For that, the market opening is going to be important. So after market opening, if market comes down, obviously we need to observe the volume, because usually we don't see much volume during the first half of Monday. So if market acts like a typical Monday market, then we can look for support around 2423. You can see we have previous support around 2423 and also FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So if market takes support around 2423 area, we can look for a buy position. Okay, and you can see we have the second buy opportunity around 2415. Remember 2415? 2415 was the previous resistance. The same level will be working as support right now. And the best thing is that we also have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level around the same area. So if market comes down with good selling pressure, 2415, 2408, these two levels will come for rescue. But if market comes down with very low selling pressure, small candles, as a day trader, you can go for buy around 2423. So these are the three trading opportunities on the chart of gold. But one thing you need to remember is that one level, one bounce only. For example, on Monday morning, if market bounces from 2423 area once, that's it. Second time when market will come down again, do not trust the level again. Your next support will be 2415. One level, one bounce only. Try to follow the rule. On the other hand, my dear friends, if market goes up after the market opening, because after market opening, either market will come down or market will be going up. If market comes down, we can look for buy around these areas. But if market goes up, okay, then obviously things will be little difficult. Okay, in that case, our previous high is 2437. Okay, this was the previous high made by the market. So let the market break the high. Usually on Monday, especially during the first half, buy and breakout is not a very wise thing to do, because to break any level, volume is extremely important. If volume is less, it can be a false breakout. What? It can be a false breakout. But still, if we see that suddenly there is a good buying in the market, market is going up, then you can look for a buy above 2438. Yes, you can look for a buy above 2438, but it is risky because of low volume. On Tuesday, Wednesday, you can look for a buy and breakout. But if market acts like a normal Monday market, not much volume, it can be very risky as well, because after some time you will see market coming down again. That is the problem. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, if you cannot control your urge, you can initially go with a small buy. Later on, when market will be coming down again, okay, the same level will be the new support. Okay, because the same level will be the new support, then you can enter again. Okay, so let the market open first. Let's see how does the market open. Let's hope the market comes for retracement and we get a nice buy. If market takes support, then only we will be able to buy, isn't it? But if market goes for a breakout, okay, be careful because of low volume. But if market surprises us with a big green candle, after the market is full of surprises, then we can buy a breakout as well. Okay, and where is the next resistance? If you're wondering, 2450 is the next resistance. But in this market, okay, do not think that resistance means there will be a trend reversal. No, market sentiment will matter. And friends, stay in touch with the news. Any development on the Middle East, okay, will bring extreme volatility on Monday. Okay, so stay in touch with the news. Market is sensitive to news right now. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday.